anyways, I will sit back and show you what it looks like. Hi everyone, it's Heather again. And I know I just filmed a video this morning, so I have the same shirt on as I did before. Also, I'm wearing my earrings from Rocksbox. Those are the Kendra Scotts I love. Anyways, I'm here because I have my Stitch Fix. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this because I have things to do today. I did open the box, but I have not opened my bundle. So here it is. Definitely some pretty colors in there. And I did request that I get all shirts because I really don't need anything else. I just got a couple dresses the last time and I have jeans. But you can always use more shirts. So anyways, I requested that. So we'll get into it and see what I have. Okay. First shirt. First thing is that I don't usually wear purple, but that is pretty. I mean, it's a pretty pattern. It's a little boho-ish for me, but it is really a beautiful pattern. I like it. So we'll see how that looks on. Next thing is, oh, let me tell you the brand, although I will post it on the screen. That's a Daniel Rain. Ooh, which you know is gonna be salty because they're expensive. Okay, this looks like my style right here. This is the Letty and Me cardigan, and just light pink, which, if you know me at all, I love me some pink. So that's cute. In fact, it would look really cute with that purple shirt. We'll see. The next one is Fortune and Ivy. This looks pretty. I do like green. Ooh, this is gonna be hard. That's really soft too. Oh, I like it. I really like that. Okay, then I have Market and Spruce. This is more that dolman sleeve, and I don't usually like, but we will see. I don't mind stripes. I know some people don't like stripes, but I don't mind stripes. So we'll see. And then I have the last one, which is another Market and Spruce. And ooh, this is just so soft. So soft. Anyways, it is like a flannel looking thing, but it doesn't feel like it. It feels like pajamas. Like seriously, this is like, yeah, that feels like pajamas. All right, I can't wait to put that on. So we are gonna go ahead and try on, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have the first one on, and it's just the gray striped one that's a dolman sleeve a little bit. So it's not as dolman sleeve as I thought it would be. Like, it's not that much. It's a little shorter than I like. But, I mean, it's not a bad basic piece. Okay, so this is the Daniel Rain, and it is not quite as purple as I mean, not quite as ugly as I thought it would be on me, but I do like it. Maybe just not in love with the purple. But anyways, here it is. So it's kind of fitted here. It's so comfy and 3/4 length sleeves. Just still not my favorite color on me. Anyways, I'm gonna try the pink cardigan on with it. Okay, I have the pink cardigan on, and I really like this. It does tone down the purple a little bit for me, so I like that, but I'll step back and let you see it. I am a cardigan person. I just love wearing cardigans. They're so cozy. Anyways, I do like it better with this on it because it's less purple. I have the Market and Spruce green top, and of course I love green. It is it has that like dress shirt feel in the front and then the soft back. So it is cozy. I'll step back so you can take a look. I feel like it's a little bit longer in the back and a little bit shorter here, but again, Everything seems to be so short on me that if I feel like if I lift my arms up, you're gonna see my belly. So everything seems to be just a tad short. But I will be back with the last piece. All right, I believe this one is Market and Spruce too, and this thing is so soft. It's just cozy. I love this. Anyways, I will step back and show you what it looks like. 3/4 length sleeves. Got a little tank top on underneath. I really do like this. I mean, it's just so soft. Yeah, I do love this one. So we'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little recap and I'll be right back. All right, I am back. And so I wanted to go over a little bit. They have the styling cards here and I did get a note and it looks like I did have Enya again. It says, "Hi Heather, happy Fix Day. I'm so excited to be styling you again. I'm so glad that you enjoyed your New Year's Eve fix, which I did keep everything. But I'm sorry it didn't quite make it in time for New Year's." No, it didn't. That's okay though. I hope that you find a few occasions to wear your new pieces. I filled the sticks with an assortment of tops that you will find perfect for casual outfits. Let's take a look. I saw your October fix and you received a Dolman top by Market and Spruce and you liked it but not the color, which was orange, which is true. And I actually like this Dolman top better than I thought I would. It is a versatile piece. Pair with your favorite jeans with the black Tom's booties and you are all set. This Daniel Rain top is perfect for a casual evening in or a dinner date. Pair with jeans to elevate in this lightweight Letty and Me cardigan. Enjoy your fix, Anya. So anyways, she did listen to me and I did need tops and I really do like them. I'm not sure I will be able to keep everything since I just kept everything last time. So my favorites for sure is this top right here. Anyways, we'll go into all of them though. So the green top is a great color for me. I absolutely love the color. I don't always like the backs to be this, even though it is soft and I love it, they cling to me. However, they do fit my top half. It gives me some leeway, but they cling to my back fat too. So, but I do love this top. It was a little bit short. I have a longer torso, so I don't like things that are super short on me. Anyways, that's the only thing with that one. This one, I probably will not be keeping, although I love the fit of this. I like how it fit. It's still a teeny bit short maybe, but I really like the fit, and it has this little keyhole thing in the back. But the color, I know people probably love it, but I just don't do well with purple, ever. I don't know why. So the Dolman sleeve, again, I really like the style. I really like the stripes. I like the simplicity of this. I think it looks elegant, but it's again short. So I don't know if I just need to start sizing up so that it's longer on me. I like how it fit. Other than that though, it didn't feel tight anywhere. It felt comfortable, just a little short. And then of course, the cardigan. I love cardigans. I have a love relationship with cardigans. And I do love this. I don't always like the hooded ones, but I do love pink. I don't like anything bulky on me. But I do like this one. So out of all of this, I love the green color top, just not the length. It would have to go between this and this for favorite. Anyways, you'll have to let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what your favorite piece was on me, because it's always nice to have like other people's opinions. Not that it matters, you don't need it, but it is nice so when people look at you, what they see. So if you could let me know in the comments what your favorite piece was, I would appreciate it. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe so you will be notified anytime I upload a video, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye. As you can see, the total ends up being $258 for all these pieces, but if you buy all, you get a discount of 25%. You end up getting $64.50 off, which makes the total $193.50. I have the styling pass, so I do not get my $20 styling fee because I don't pay one. Anyways, I think that's a great deal for 5 shirts.